Ano ang sabi? Today for the first time, we will feature an all-electric vehicle that is for so many reasons worth buying. Pag-usapan natin yan with the Jetour Ice Cream EV. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Minsan napagkwentuhan namin ng kaibigan ko, kung ikaw, ang kotse mo isa lang tapos electric pa, okay ba sa'yo yun? Napaisip ako ng malalim kasi alam ko yung tanong niya, simple lang pakinggan pero nagde-demand ito ng isang malawak na sagot. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, yes and no. Sabi niya, ha? Bakit? Sagot ko, yes for many obvious reasons, pero alam naman natin kung bakit no, also for its obvious reasons. Sagot niya sa akin, ha? Parang wala ka naman sinagot sa tanong ko. Well, sabi ko kasi ganito, absolutely yes dahil imaginein mo, di ka nabibili ng gas, kahit stop and go traffic, okay lang, ala kang iniisip na nasasayang na gasolina habang naka-idle ka sa traffic. Maliit at madaling i-park, simple gamitin at exempted ka pa sa coding. Pero sa kabilang banda, alam naman natin limitado ang gamit sa kanya kasi it can only go as far as its battery charge can give you or can go. Yun na yun, ganun lang kasimple ang limitation niya. Pero mas pag-uusapan pa po natin yan in detail. Pero ang tanong, at a price of almost 700,000 pesos, sulit ba siya bilang isang electric vehicle at sa kung ano ang ino-offer niya? Pag iniisip nyo kasi sa presyoan na yan, may disente at magandang sasakyan ka na mabibili. Pero that is not the point. You want to go electric and you want to make sure that your money is gonna be worth every peso. In all angles, with the pros and cons it carries, I will say yes. It is worth every peso. Pag inisip nyo naman talaga, you live here in Manila. Yan ang scenario. 95% of the time, you drive here around the city. Imagine nyo, throughout all that time, you spend commuting outside on the roads, on the street, going in and about your work, your errands, at yung mga biglaang dapat mong puntahan, maybe meeting with friends or events. On all those occasions, you can go there. You don't need to buy a single liter of gas. In the bigger picture, on that alone, you will really appreciate the value that this car brings. Even say for example, you have your home province, malapit lang o medyo malayo like maybe Pampanga, Cavite, medyo malapit-lapit. Kamukha ko, taga Bulacan. Syempre on this part, you need to do your math carefully. Because the worst thing that can happen to you is running out of charge in the middle of the road. Kasi po, isang full charge dito, it can go up to around 150 to 170 kilometers ng coverage niya. Distance covered. It depends on different driving conditions, kung ilan din ang nakasakay sa sasakyan. Kaya kung for example, uuwi ka ng let's say Cabanatuan in Nueva Ecija, which would be an average of around 125 kilometers distance from Manila, you can leave here with a full charge and you can get there with no issues at all. At alam naman natin sa expressways natin, yung mga gas stations, nagkakaroon na, ini-equip na po nila ng mga fast chargers para sa mga EVs. Speaking of charging, it takes around 8 hours to be fully charged. So when you get home, you're about to go to sleep, plug it in at hugutin mo pagising mo. Ganun lang kasimple. Anyways, pag po full charge na siya, may cut-off system po yan. Pinuputol niya yung charging kahit nakasaksak pa. If you don't have your own parking space, parking area nearby your house, this would be an issue. So those are the items or things you will really need to consider bago bumili ng isang electric vehicle. Sa design aspect naman niya, it's very cute and youthful ang look. In a way boxy, but as you can see, it has different design elements and accents that makes it look like a fun car to drive around. Maliliit lang po ang mga gulong niya, 12-inch, which is okay para mas madali pong makaikot yung mga gulong, and it doesn't take a lot of effort for the electric motor to drive this vehicle. And to think about it, bagay naman po sa overall look ng kotse na to. Now, when you go inside, I can really say that I really like the front seats. Yes po, sabi ko front seats kasi meron po siyang rear seat. Yes po, kasya po ang 4 sa loob ng sasakyan na to. Admittedly, it is not spacious pero sakto lang. I noticed as well na yung steering wheel niya permis lang po. It's not tilt nor telescopic. Naisip ko din na ang logic kaya nito dahil it tends to get the driver to move a little forward para magkaroon ng konti pang space sa mga nakasakay sa likod. Yun lang naman po ang naisip ko. There is space on the flooring area. Ayan po, may mga mailalagay din po kayo dyan mga gamit. And looking at the dashboard, hindi po siya boring. Although it is simple, pero andun po yung lively na look niya. Siguro dahil sa kulay at yung youthful character na meron siya. And this has air conditioning at sa lit ng interior na to, hindi siya mahirapang palamigin ang loob nito. It has the selector in the middle that is like drive and neutral. Cannot get any more simple than that. Meron po siyang iba't ibang drive modes at some other features na babanggitin na po natin. Meron po siyang remote central locking, electronic power steering, electric windows, driver side airbags, ABS with EBD, automatic unlocking in case of collision, automatic locking when driving, ISOFIX tethers. Meron po siyang driver seat belt unfastened warning. Audible po yan, naririnig nyo. Pedestrian reminder system in low speed. Tire pressure alarm. Rear reversing radar. Reversing camera. Ramp assist. USB charging ports. Portable charging cable. At driving modes po niya is Eco and Sport. At ang pricing po ng Jetour Ice Cream EV, ayan po. Pasyal na po kayo dito sa Jetour Cainta. Pwede din po sa Jetour Pasig para makita nyo po, makapag-inquire kayo, makapag-reserve na kayo ng Jetour Ice Cream EV. Available in 4 color variants. Nandiyan po ang vanilla, blueberry, matcha at itong fini-feature natin, ang strawberry. Napakasimple. Sa pagtatapos, if you want something that is in a very way simple to move around the city, you're in complete comfort and convenience, and at the same time, very cost-effective and environmentally friendly, and you have no complicated maintenance issues or procedures to worry about, this is the car you should look into closely. Buy this and you will love it. This is the Jetour Ice Cream EV. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.